Do you have something at home you feel like spray? Do you want to spray your vehicle? Do you want to spray your furniture?
Ever slick, ever slick, ever slick.
You have something at home to spray and you don't have an air compressor? It is very easy to build an homemade air compressor. My people, this is Ever Slick from Ever Slick Creation, and at this time I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a air compressor. You want to spray something? It's very easy. Please remember to like and to share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright, okay my people, first thing first, you have to find a whole fridge and try to get out the compressor. Alright, and you're going to search to find a whole compressor or a drum, because you're gonna need a storage to keep the air. So you're gonna need a drum, or you can get an whole compressor. This is an whole compressor, so I'm gonna pull up this one and use the drum on it. Alright, so I'm gonna pull out that compressor out of the whole fridge. Alright, okay my people, as you can see right here, I have a whole fridge compressor. Alright, if you notice, we have a pipe here and we have a pipe here and a pipe here. Compressor like this use gas and it use oil. You have to have oil into the bottom of it for the compressor to keep spinning, to move up that valve, you know. So at this time there is no gas because the line is cut, so there is no gas inside, but there is oil inside of the bottom of this compressor. Alright, these three pipes. Alright, this one is where you pour the oil into, so I can pour out this old oil out of it and put in new oil. You can use even engine oil, you can throw back inside there, but I always leave the same oil that come with it inside there. So this is the intake for the oil. This is also an intake, but this is the out valve that sends out the air. So once the compressor is running, this is how the fridge work. The gas leave from here, go up to the freezer, and once it come out of that small tube, go into the freezer, it's going to freeze. Then it's going to come back down, back into this valve, go back down, back into the compressor, to come back again. Back of the fridge, there's a grill behind the fridge. Yeah. So when the gas hot inside the motor here and it come out, go to the freezer, it come back down through that condenser behind the fridge, that coil thing behind the fridge, and it cool back down, go back down into the compressor to come back out again, to go back to the freezer. So that's how the fridge works. So right now I'm gonna plug it in right now to let's just see what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna put some juice into it. Alright, don't get anything from it, so I'm gonna check, see what's going on with it. Okay, the problem was this wire is off, so I have to put back this wire back on the compressor for it to run. Alright, so okay, that's it. I'm gonna put some juice inside of it now. As you can hear, yeah, as you can hear, okay, okay. This is the end where the hair is coming out. Alright. This is the end where it's sucking here. It's sucking here through here also. Okay, I'm gonna scrap this old compressor now. I'm gonna take off. This is the compressor, the motor, fan. I'm gonna take off all these part here. The fan. Yeah, I'm not gonna use any fan anymore. Alright, I'm just gonna use back the lock off valve. This is the lock off valve. When it reaches a temperature, when you reach the amount of here, it turn off the compressor. I'm gonna use back this on it. Alright, so I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna scrap it down. Alright. Okay, time to clear this area. Yep. Yeah, still scraps in. Yeah, get it all up. Alright. Yeah, my people, this is the drum. This is the drum. You can make it without the drum, but the drum gonna give you more here. Yeah, my people, this is the drum. This is the drum. You can make it without the drum, but the drum gonna give you more here. Yeah, because you're gonna store here, you know. You're gonna have a storage for here, so that's why the drum important. But if not, yeah, well, on some foot on it, you know. It have a nice base to sit on. All right. How it look? 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 Yeah. How it look? Coming on fine. Yeah. Yeah, man. That is the angle, you know, to lift it. Yeah, man. Coming on fine. All right. My people, compressor ready. Compressor ready. Compressor ready. As you can hear. Yeah. Compressor ready. Watch the nigger. Watch the nigger. Watch the nigger. If I let it go, it's gonna go down back. See that? Alright. Cock it back up. Get some more here into the drum. Watch the nigger. Watch the nigger. The nigger is going to head for 20 psi. Yeah, and as you can see, the needle is heading to 20 psi. Yeah, 20 psi. So the air is going. Yeah. Yeah. You hear that? That is the air coming out. Yeah, that is the air coming out. Yeah. This is the connection. It have a lock-off valve connect here. When this meter reach the temperature, it's gonna turn off the compressor. This is the capacitor for the compressor. Yeah, so it wired. That's when it reached the PSI. It turn off the compressor. Yeah, just need to sand it down now. Put some color on it. And it's good to go. Yeah, man. If you need to pump your car tire, it's very easy and simple to put on a nozzle. You put on a nozzle like this on the hose. Here it is on a piece of hose. Yeah, you connect it to that line and you can pump your vehicle. You can pump your car tire. Yeah, my people. Compressor, air compressor ready to spray anything. Alright. Yeah, my people, again, don't watch the surrounding, you know. You're at the workshop. When you're at the workshop, you see all type of stuff. Compressor is running. Alright, I'm gonna try it now. See if I can spray something. Alright. So I'm gonna make the connection. Here. Yep. See that? Yeah. Compressor is spraying, man. Yeah. You can spray anything, man. Yeah. Compressor is spraying, man. Alright, my people. Yeah. Compressor ready. Ready and waiting to do the job. So anytime you need to spray something and you don't have a compressor, no worries. Just find an old fridge, take out that compressor, find a drum, put it on, and you can use it just like that. And you're good to go. You can spray anything you want to spray. Alright? I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna give it some sanding. Yeah, get rid of all those rust. This is the hanger. This is the hanger to hold it. Yeah. Sand it down, wash it down, clean it up, and then I'm gonna spray it into black and red. Alright? So, yeah, my people. Do remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell. Alright? To see the next video coming out. Because there's a next project coming out this weekend. Alright? And it's gonna be a great project. Alright? And I know you want to see it. Okay? Alright, my people. Peace. I'm out.